Hey guys, JusJarBo here, and today we're going to react to SMG4, Mario's Crimson Lightbulb. Having an SMG4 video and with SMG4's new design, which is okay, I guess, but this really takes some time getting used to, but whatever. Anyways, let's go.
I love you too. I love you too, SMG4.
Oh, hey guys, if you haven't heard yet, we have released our very first 2 animated figurines. First you got your boy here, SMG4, and you also got a special skin, Lawyer Maggie. She's limited stock and only here for those of you who watch the Losu arc and Wattfree 2022. There's only 3 days left to get 15% off, so quickly go get it now at smg4.store. And with that, we're gonna go to the video now. Woo!
This is so nice.
I'm going to die for you.
Mario!
Seriously?
Tutto lavato, l'abito. Hello.
No, I'll fix it.
Yeah, that's way too high. What? Oh,
I
come
did
on,
it.
really, Mario?
Well, thank God I have a spare.
Not again.
Damn it, I can't believe it.
Mario,
What
please
the
don't be
fancy
stupid.
for?
Doing.
What do you do?
Just hold this tone and we can all go home. Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So please just stand there and be useless.
Mamma mia. So long, Toad.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
Oi, keep it still, Toad!
Hey, Stinky.
So this is how I die.
Oh. A pipa na tutto lavato, tutto.
What the?
Oh.
Don't mean, don't mean, don't mean.
You gotta be kidding me.
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown.
Mario, goddammit, hold it still!
Mario, please don't.
Okie dokie. Easy for me.
Oh, you got Mario thinking now.
Keep me perfect. You gotta be quiet. Let me see my hands with this.
Oi, Mario, hold it still! You little sh**.
Stop touching me. No, not again! No! No, she's dead. Oh, green ladder's broken in.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got Mario thinking now.
That way?
I'm in danger!
Shoot it down.
Spider pig, spider pig.
Jesus, I'm dead. Red letters? Oh. Oh. What's even gonna do this?
I gotta do it, man.
Oh great, it's Super Revenge, isn't it?
Time to die!
Hey, what the hell is wrong with you? It's no use, Mario. Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh,
Oh man.
mamma mia! Mmm.
What's physics?
Hey, stop that! Come here, come here!
Oh.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
That actually works.
Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito!
Mario, screw the damn light bulb in!
Yeah, please, fix the night bulb, Mario.
Are you ready for a miracle? Are you
Go.
ready for a miracle? Are you ready?
Oh yeah, do it, please fix it. Oh no, what's the light bulb won't fit?
What? What do you mean it's not working?
Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito!
Just force it in!
I think it
Okie
works.
dokie!
Okay.
Let there be light!
Oh no! Honestly, things just got worse. Things just got.
Good evening.
Things has just gone from bad to worse.
I hate that.
You get no bitches!
Come on, Mario.
Whoa!
Let's go.
Can't touch me. Can't touch me.
You guys are cool.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
What was that stuff? This music came.
I'm a superstar! Yo-ho!
No, not really.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi! Omra tutto so reparo!
Oh
Did
yeah!
you have ship on that bulb?
Operas ko ng brangwas ko naman ng teatro na maturo naman tayo sa mga kayo. Potono tunita na tunna na sana tunna kanarang na sana na sarati no na rapetani tiniti.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
Ah, no, sinetera, pero konete no tonete.
You Super Luigi mentioned
Uh-oh.
Looks like it's up to us then.
I bet.
Wait.
Oh, sinetera.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
Sarati no na rapetani tiniti. No.
Oh, look at this. Bring back to life. Oh, damn, look at this. Get that mother. Maximum knock! Take it easy!
Oh, yeah.
Well, now you're gonna get it, motherfucker.
What? Enlargement pills?
Oh,
Yeah, boy.
What do I do?
Oh.
Did that work?
Defeated now, bitch!
No, you know,
I'm about to whip somebody's
oh my God!
ass.
Whoa! So big!
Get in my belly!
Huh? That's right. Take that, losers!
Huh? Nothing's happening.
Eccolo tutto, sembrate.
What? No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid teacher!
Oh dear. SMG4, what have you done? What have you done?
Stand back!
No, things about to get
I'm
worse.
warning ya!
Error. Cannot sue.
Well, looks like it's very simple.
Oh, mamma mia, tutto parliamo tutto gravato.
They could.
It's a fast
Huh?
La la la. La la la.
Wait a minute.
Mario, I told you already! Toad won't work!
Shh.
Oh my God! How does it happen? Man, I can't believe that show became night! It's working! The ball's coming back! The lights have been restored back to the Western Kingdom. Take that, booze.
I did it. I saved the world.
But you killed
Well, that was a
Toad.
load of
Man, that was kind of funny and results indeed to a crazy adventure. Well, thanks for watching my reaction to Mario Suits and Lightbulb. Man, that was still indeed pretty funny. Well, maybe like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, do you think? And write some videos! Okay, thanks for watching, bye.